Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on Interstate 29 concurrent with US Highway 81 beginning in Codington County at mile marker 180. Up until this point on the trip, the bugs that normally plaster the windshield in the Midwest have been strangely absent, but as we get closer and closer to North Dakota, we begin to see some insect splatter. Fortunately, it's not so much as to spoil the view. At exit 193, South Dakota State Highway 20 crosses, providing access to the towns of South Shore and Stockholm. Stockholm has an estimated population of 107 and takes its name from the capital city of Sweden, the origin of many of the original residents. South Shore had an estimated population of 215 in 2019 and lies on the south shore of a natural glacial lake managed by the South Dakota Game, Fish and Parks Agency as a fishery for northern pike and yellow perch. The lake's name is Punished Woman Lake. Sioux Indian legend tells of a young woman who ran away with her forbidden lover, defying her father's wishes for her to marry a clan chief. When the woman and her lover were returned to the tribe's camp along the lake's shore, the enraged chief killed his opponent and then shot an arrow through the heart of the young woman. That's quite a punishment. We enter Grant County, established in 1873 and named for President Ulysses S. Grant. The lowest point in South Dakota is located in Grant County on Big Stone Lake with an elevation of 968 feet or 295 meters above sea level. Here on I-29, just 30 miles from that point, we're at an elevation of 1,950 feet or 594 meters above sea level. Grant County had an estimated population of 7,052 as of 2019. Exit 201 leads east to the small town of Twin Brooks, named for two small streams near the town site. Twin Brooks had an estimated population of 70 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. we enter Roberts County with an estimated population of 10,394. Just ahead at exit 207, we see a junction with US Highway 12, which runs almost 2,500 miles through 10 states from Aberdeen, Washington to Detroit, Michigan. However, the Aberdeen seen on the exit sign refers to Aberdeen, South Dakota, the county seat of Brown County to the west. Aberdeen is the third largest city in South Dakota by population, with 28,257 residents. The other city on the exit sign is Milbank, which is the county seat of Grant County to the southeast. At exit 213, South Dakota Highway 15 crosses, leading east to the city of Wilmot, named for Wilmot Brookings, who was provisional governor of the Dakota Territory, in a name we've seen before with Brookings County and the city of Brookings. Wilmot had an estimated population of 501 as of 2019. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 218. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.